Welcome to video number 5 of the Beis Travel Line review. Today we've got the mini duffel bag. This is exactly how it got delivered. This is again why I love Beis so much. Things don't come up scrunched up in a little like plastic bag, which is at the bottom of a container somewhere. Like, it comes padded beautifully like this, probably so the plastic doesn't break. Again, the price point, if I didn't already mention, is $73. It is on sale on the BÉIS.com website for $48 US. And let's go through it. So I'm not 100% sold on the clear, but I thought it was different. Let's start on the side. This pouch is supposed to be for your dirty clothes / wet clothes because of the water resistant lining. I could talk about water resistant and waterproof. I'm very passionate about this just because I've traveled to so many countries where I've brought water resistant and it's poured and it's poured. Iceland, Vancouver, it's not the same. So this is only a temporary fix. If you've got something like soaking wet, it will go through, so be careful. I guess I've left the padding, so we're just gonna toss that there. And you've got an extra strap handle, which apparently didn't come the first time around. When I read in the comments, those who have purchased this, originally it didn't have the strap. If that's true, I'm glad mine did. Sorry, not sorry. Let's see how it opens up. Apparently, it comes all the way out at the front. Ooh, I love that. Should I take this out? I guess I'm gonna do it right. It comes with a dirt bag, so that is really for your dirty clothes. Like that, it has a duffel dirt bag. Lots of space. I can't even imagine what the big one looks like. This is more than enough for me, whether it's a gym bag or like a 1-2 day bag, that's fine. Like anything bigger, and I think I'd be taking my weekender. It's got like a little front pouch extra, and at the back, of course, for if you do want to travel with it for your trolley. I love that it is very easy to wipe clean. It's a good size. I'm petite, works well. If you do sign up and order through Beis, it's 10% off for your first order. It's the same thing with Revolve if you do that. Through Nordstrom, I don't think you get that. So obviously, order from a site where you can get 10% off. It's a no-brainer. Do I love it? Well, I'm not 100% sold on the clear, as I mentioned. What do you guys think? Who's bought this one already? I bought it because it was on sale and I could always re-gift it should I not use it in the next few months. I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Tune in for my next video, which will be a surprise. But again, another Beis Travel Line video because I'm all travel related now. My name is Olivia Gudaniec. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.